Seb.
Yep.
How you going, mate?
Good, how are you?
So, what car do you race in the Excels?
Mine Excels, pardon?
What's your team name?
Christison Racing.
Okay, yep. And how long have you been racing for, Seb?
9 years.
9 years.
Yeah.
So, and how long in your Excels?
2 years.
Okay. And how have you been going today? What position did you get in your qualifying?
I qualified third, and off the line I had not a very good start off the line.
Okay, yep.
Back to 7th.
Back to 7th, was it?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. And how'd you go in that practice just then? Practice was good, the car feels good?
Yeah, it feels good, yeah.
Okay, yep. So do you do your setup yourself and stuff, or do you have someone help you out with that?
My dad helps with the setup, and TPS Motorsport and Lindsay Martin helps with the car very well.
Okay. So, what's probably your main goals? I mean, you've been doing this for 3 years now, you said.
Yeah.
Where do you sort of hope to go from here?
Just move up in the racing, like sort of, you know.
So this is going to be a career sport for you?
Yeah. Well, I would hope it to be.
Oh, look, we all hope to get paid for what we enjoy, especially motor racing. But no, if you're starting out as a young age like this and going as well as you are. So how have you been going in the last few seasons? So what position did you end up at the end of the season?
Last season I only did one round.
Yep.
Because I was too young to race.
Okay, yep.
I finished first. I think I finished first in the Enduro series.
Yep.
And I haven't done any races apart from that last year.
Okay. Now, I've noticed that your car looks quite flashy. Car looks quite good, mate. Lots of stickers all over it.
Yeah.
I noticed you've only just put all your stickers on since Bathurst. Talk me through your car, mate. What had you do to it? Because you said it's only a fairly new car, didn't you?
Yeah, we got on the new shell because of Bathurst we had a big accident.
Yep.
And we put all the parts from the other car into this car.
Yep.
And we put new stickers on and everything. And yeah.
Okay. So that crash that you had at Bathurst,
Yeah.
how did that happen? Sort of talk me through that.
I was coming down Forest Elbow into the sort of downhill section.
Yep, on the Conroad.
Yeah, and I got a tip in the rear.
Yep.
The right rear. And that sent me spinning into the wall.
Someone unloaded your back corner, did they? Yeah. You couldn't really help that much then.
Yeah, and then I got collected by another car in the...
Yep. So that pretty much broke the shell off, did it? Yeah. That's unfortunate. It wasn't your fault.
Yeah.
So, that's a good point. And you don't want to have a crash if you can avoid it, but if someone else does it to you, you can't help that. So, I tell you what, mate, your car does look pretty flashy out in the track.
Thank you.
Black and gold like JPS always stands out. Seb, that's a really neat looking car, mate. It's a credit to you.
Thank you.
Mate, we wish you all the best in the next race.
Thank you.
Good luck.
And sometimes they decide to even out races to extend the gearboxes in the rear, down near the back axle.